Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we are going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up CleverReach Action Automation for workflows in your sub account. Once you're in your sub account, navigate to App Marketplace, be at the sub account view, and click on Install. Then you click on Allow and Install. Once your app has been installed, refresh your tab and you scroll down to the custom page. Click on the custom page and the interface of the app is going to pop up where we'll have access to the documentation. We have access to the Smart Queue video that's going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials of the app. We have the app set up. Here the app has not been set. No worries, we are going to walk you through on how to set up your app. Copy the redirect URL and head to the account which we've created online. Click on your app profile, click on my account, and then you go to the interface, click on the REST API, and you click on create an application auth. You enter the application name here, sample, we give it a REST API version, and you paste the redirect URL here. We toggle on all the scopes and we click on create now. Click on cloud certify, click on auth application, copy the client ID, head to your sub account, click on start setup, paste your client ID, copy the secret key and you paste. Then click on complete, set it, and your app will be successfully created, set up and connected. We have the support center. At the level of the support center, you'll be able to create a ticket for our support team and as well book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At this change log, you will get the necessary notifications concerning the updates or some changes of the app. And to receive the notification, toggle on the notification button, insert your email, and you click on the subscribe button. You've learned how to install and set up your app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and remember our support team is available 24/7 to give you extra guidance. Thanks so much for watching.